Hey friends, Monica from Honeybee Designs here to show you how I drew Mini Mrs. Hudson. So I am drawing Mini Mrs. Hudson in the vector portrait style. So this is the new style that I have been featuring in all of my custom portraits. So if you want to grab your own, you can go to honeybeedesigns.com. But Mini Mrs. Hudson is super cute. You can go follow her at Mini Mrs. Hudson on Instagram. She shares tons of cute photos and videos, so you'll have to give her a follow. But yeah, this was part of just another part of our Halloween giveaway contest from several months ago. I'm a little behind on uploading videos to my channel, but just wanted to show this behind the scenes as well. So they had a really cute theme. So it was Team T'Challa and all of T'Challa's friends, and they won the giveaway, which gave them like a piece of art with a theme to it, with all of them in the art. So I drew all of the different friends in this custom vector style, and I put them into their theme, which they picked the Hocus Pocus, the Disney Hocus Pocus theme. So it's super cute. I drew them all as the different witches from Hocus Pocus and all the other characters. And so if you want to see how that whole theme piece of art turned out, go check it out on my Instagram at Honeybee Designs. But yeah, it was a super cute theme that they chose. So what I did is I created the vector portrait in Procreate, like I am here for each of them, and then I went into Canva and I added like their robes and their costumes and everything, just accessorized them to look like the characters, and I added like some elements of like props and backgrounds and things too in Canva, and then I just combined that with the vector portraits. So it turned out super cute. Again, go check that out if you have a chance. And if you are interested in your own custom portrait, go to honeybeedesigns.com or just send me a direct message on my Instagram at Honeybee Designs, and I'd be happy to put something together for you. The great thing about these vector portraits is that you can actually resize them to any size you want and use them both digitally and for print. So you can just go into Canva and you can put it onto like a print product, like a t-shirt or a tote bag or something, or you can just use it on your Instagram and your stories as a digital sticker or as a GIF or something like that. So again, if you're interested in how you can use these, just give me a DM on Instagram. Or if you have other ideas, creative ideas of how you'd like to use yours, be sure to put it in the comments, because you guys always have the best ideas, and I'm always super happy to see you guys using them in different new creative ways. So just putting the finishing touches on Mini Mrs. Hudson, and here is the final product. I think she turned out super cute. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more.